Hi there my friends, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful big earrings. If you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials like this, like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. In fact, I'm doing this video because you asked me in the comments to make big earrings, and that's why I'm devoting this tutorial to all of you that want to make this type of jewelries. So now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I'm going to need for this video are 8/0 beads in this beautiful red color, and I'm using twin beads in silver and black. You could use superduos instead of twins. And I'm using these roundelles that are faceted crystals 4 by 6 millimeters. If you use round beads, you might think using 3 millimeters instead of 4. And I'm using these 11/0s and ear wires. Use ear wires of your choice. Here I'm using hooks, and I'm gonna need beading needle. This is size 10, and I'm using flat nose pliers, scissors, and I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have my thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by taking 22 silver beads and alternating them with red beads. Okay, so I'm taking silver twin and then a red 8/0, silver twin, red 8/0, and I'm gonna repeat this 22 times and I will be back. Okay guys, and now I have my 22 twin beads alternated by 8/0s on my needle, and what I'm going to do is just make a knot here. Okay, and I will make this knot by making a loop and going once and then a second time through that loop I just made, and I will make sure I'm between those two beads where I started my knot from, and I'm going to pull. And now this is what I have. I have a circle of 22, I mean 44 beads, but 22 of one kind and 22 of the other kind. So now I will start my next row, and in order to start my next row I will go through one of my twin beads, and then what I want to do is go through its other empty hole in this direction, and I'm pulling. Okay, now I prefer to flip my work because I like to work in this direction. And now I'm going to start adding my next row of twin beads. So I'm taking one black bead, I'm going through the next empty hole of my following twin, and I will take one more, go through the following, and guess what, I'm gonna continue doing this until I have a full next row of beads here. Okay, I'm going to continue, and you will see that when I continue, this will start turning in this direction and will bend like this. Okay, you'll see the result in a while. Okay guys, and now I'm finishing this row. If you want to catch up with me, just pause this video and finish this row and then be back. Okay, so now you see here, if I decide to add one more row of red beads, I could turn this into a bracelet or into even a ring. It depends on the diameter here. If it's larger, it will be a bracelet. If it's smaller, it will be ring. But now what I want to do is something really different. as I'm exiting here from this black bead, I want to exit out of a silver bead, okay? Then I will go through the empty hole of this silver as well, okay? And now I want to bend my silver to come next to this silver, and I want to go through this red one. You see what I'm doing? I'm bending my silver to go next to this silver, you see here, and going through the red one. First it might feel strange, but later you will see it's easier, it gets easier. And now I'm going through the next silver, okay? Okay, and then I will continue the same way. As I'm exiting from this twin, I will go through this red one here, through the next red one, and I'm going to pull and make sure that my twins come in this direction, my silver twins. Then I'm going through the next silver one, through its empty hole. I'm pulling, pushing it in this direction, and I'm going through the next red one, okay? Then I'm going through this one, through the next red one, and this is what I'm basically doing until the end of this row. And when I finish it, I will be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and when I connect all of my beads here, you see what I have. This is what you should have after you add and you tighten up all of your work. I think it looks nice. And now in my next step, I'm going to start adding black twin beads, okay? I will start adding them here between where the holes are, between my silver beads, okay? Just like that. It looks nice and tight now. I like it better. And guess what? I'm gonna continue adding these beads here in that direction. And when I'm ready, when I make my full circle, I will be back to show you the final row with which we are gonna finish our work. I'll be back in a while. Okay guys, and now I'm back. I just added my last black twin bead, and now I'm going through its hole, and I'm going back through the empty hole of the same bead, and I'm gonna start adding my last row of beads. And this will be my roundelles that are 4 by 6 millimeters. And if your twin beads are bigger, mine are really thin, these black beads are thin, and it depends on the lot of the beads you buy. Sometimes the same lot differs from color to color, so try it with 3 millimeter. If 4 millimeter doesn't work, try with 3 millimeters. Okay, here I'm using 4, and I'm pulling, and when I pull I have this. See here, the diameter here is less than 4 millimeters, and here it is 4 millimeters. So if you use round beads, it's better to use 3 millimeters, otherwise your work will start bending. Okay, now I'm gonna continue adding my last row of beads here. These are 4 by 6 roundelles, Okay, I'm gonna continue this, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I just added my last bead here, and what I want to do is go also through the next crystal. Okay, and now to make them stay and look good, I will add an additional row of only 11 seed beads between my crystals. Okay, so I will start it now. Okay, and I'm gonna continue doing this until I have my full circle ready, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I just added my last silver bead here, and now my earring looks really good. So what I want to do is go through this silver bead, take 3 more silvers, then I'm gonna take my ear wire, and I prefer this to be the front part of my earring because the back side it's good but it's not that colorful, so I prefer this one, and that is why I will put my ear wire in this direction. I will slide it down. Then what I need to do next is take 3 more seed beads, just like that, and I will go through this crystal here. Okay, you see how this one is turned, and now what I want to do is just reinforce this joint, and I will do it by going through my crystal and then back through all of my beads here. Okay, I will do it several more times, and then I'll be back to tell you how to make your knots and cut your thread. Okay guys, and now I reinforce this joint, but I want to go here at the back side of my earring and I want to make some knots. So I will go through some beads here, and I'm going to choose some place, let's say here between my twin beads, and what I do is that I make a loop and then go once and go second time through the same loop I made, and then I'm going to pull. Okay, then I will repeat this several more times. Okay, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, this is what I have. I have these beautiful big earrings. And if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And by the way, you asked me to make big earrings in the comments, that is why I make this tutorial. And you asked me for more beaded ring, that is why I'm making them as well. So if you like what I show you here, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you next time.